Yes. I don't know what happened, but everything went down. I had to restart my laptop. That's fine. Let me check the network flows. I found the issue looking at your index file. There is a critical problem with the first use effect. This creates an infinite loop. Okay, I think it found the issue. Then why you are seeing so many duplicate requests? The fixed use effect should run only once on mount to set up authentication should not depend on user. Here's what it needs. Current code, load avatars list. Okay. Should be this. Plan to fix infinite loop. Changes required. Duplicate auth state. Unnecessary avatar. Infinite loop. No fabric duplicate value. Okay, let's implement. It was telling a lot of things, but that's fine. What's this presence? I think might be something related to their servers, lovable servers. That's fine. Okay, it's good. Good. Okay. Let's see now what happens at train your avatar. Okay. What should we write the name for this? API no spin. Good. Let's be ambitious. I think we cannot drag and drop. There was some issue with the drag and drop. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just quickly go to downloads. I'll select all of these. There's no way it can do it. To throw an error. That's good. Where is this storing it? Lighthouse Recorder application performance network. Index DB, nothing is there. Local storage. Yeah, nothing is there. Storing buckets. Okay. Is it storing it in? Just showing the preview. Storage. Okay, it's good. Now let's click on continue. Let's see. So network. Okay, there it is. Customize how your avatar will be trained. What's this? Okay, that's fine. Let's see the status over there. On replicate. What's happening at replicate? H function failed to upload zip file. Okay, that means it never reached. Trainings. Yeah, it never reached replicate. So something went wrong inside the H function. Let's go to the H function, guys. Let's do it. I think I saw something in storage now. No? What was that? Database? That's fine. Yeah, okay. Avatars. Like if status field, thumbnail URL, training zip URL. Okay, it never reached Superbase. So replicate. Check training webhook, train avatar. So it's called train avatar at which it failed. Let's go through the log. Page to upload storage API error. The object exceeded the maximum allowed size. Okay, Superbase pricing. We are using their free. It might be some limit they have. Maximum file upload size is 50 MB. Should be around 70 MB. Okay, that's fine. Let's do it. Let's implement it right now. Creating a zip file. Creating should be fine. Okay, there's no zip, so it's not won't be able to upload the zip file. Okay. Hey, Lovable, I am getting this error while uploading zip file on storage. Logs. I'm getting the below even error while uploading zip file on supervised storage. I am on their free tier plan and I have a limit of 50 MB for next file upload size. I can anyways buy their uh, bigger plan, like $25 a month. But in any case, I plan to get rid of this. I don't really want to upload and save the file on our server. I'm on their free tier plan and I have a limit of 50 MB for max file upload size. The zip that is being created turns out to be more than the limit. To implement a flow, I want to have the implementation where uh, the file, the zip file is created on the go and sent to the replicate API. No need to store the zip file. Okay, this will help us save storage space as well. And I should have mentioned that no need to save the images as well. Like just that's fine. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's get rid of this. The zip file is exceeding Superbase 50 MB free tier. Perfect. I can see the issue clearly. The current deployment uploads it to Superbase storage. Since the zip exceeds the 50 MB, we need to upload it directly to Replicate instead. Replicate has a files API that allows you to upload files and get a URL that can be used in then training data. Replicate files API. There are multiple ways to use files as input while running. When running a model and running a model on Replicate, you can provide a file as input using a URL, a local file on your computer, or a base64 encoded object host file. Use a URL to provide a hosted file. This is useful if you already have a file hosted. Local file, data URI. You can provide Replicate with a blob file for up to 100 MB. Data URI, create a data URI consistent. Okay, now what it is trying to say is Replicate as a file zip allows you to upload files and get a URL that can be upload zip directly to Replicate bypass Superbase storage. The zip file created from 10 to 50 running may exceed Superbase 50 MB free solution is Replicate's files API to upload the zip file directly. So you'll only store the thumbnail in Superbase storage. Changes required. Create zip in memory, upload zip. Okay, get public URL from Superbase, pass URL to Replicate API. And that's temporary too. Create zip in memory, upload zip directly to Replicate, get file URL from Replicate, pass Replicate file URL to training API. Okay, after creating the zip, upload it to Replicate instead of Superbase. That's fine, but I'm trying to understand too. There is any extra cost? Is there any extra cost uh, in, included in this Replicate's file API cost? I'm assuming that they have this pricing for using their models only. No, there's no pricing for. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. Remove supervised storage, upload code, update database migration, update, delete avatar. But okay, let's see what's up. Uploading zip to Replicate, zip block data, Replicate upload response, V1 files. Okay. Let's see which API is used. Mm, API dot replicate.com /v1 slash virus API. API dot. Then it is create a file by uploading its content and optional metadata. That's fine. Let's just try it out. Yeah, deleting is working fine. Um, okay. Nope. Okay, there are no avatars. That's good. Now let's train your first avatar. API knows picture. Let's try to upload all of these. That's fine. Continue. Start training. Okay, let's see all the train to do. Even reach replicate or not. No. Function failed due to not having enough compute resources. Please check logs. Okay. There won't be enough compute. Okay, let's see. Edge functions, train avatar. Oh, there is this limit on compute as well. Memory limit exceeded. Train avatar for this response. Let's Google this quickly. XSPH reason. I want to provide an HTTPS. We are currently migrating edge function to use supervised edge runtime instead of standard deploy. Require no change. You can check whether the function was served by supervised edge runtime. If you check the response header function call, it should have X served by. Okay, let's see. Here's enter one. That's good. X served by. Fine. Let's go to the logs again and see. I'm pretty much sure that it's something related to this only. But nobody talked about changing plan here. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, that's fine. Let's see what we can do. Let's talk to Lovable. You can appreciate the platform's compute limit CPU memory. Yeah, the runtime the function use more CPU or memory than edge runtime allows. From CPU heavy synchronous work, it also can open the function logs in the dashboard. Worker shut down messages. Let's see. Okay, can we see? I think there is this monitoring tool here. I think I'm using too much of the memory. That's it. Let's try to find out the solution to it. I'm creating a zip file in memory from 10 to 50 images. Disable all images are loaded into memory as file object JS zip holds all images in memory. The generated zip blob is also held in memory. All of this happens simultaneously. The issue is that we are using JS tip which loads memory and we use zip.js arranged it which supports streaming and is much more memory efficient for Deno Edge functions. Let's trust it. The current implementation uses loads all and holds the entire zip, creates a copy when converting. This is supervised edge function memory use. Creation reduces memory usage. Changes required. Remove JS, zip import, replace line, this. Then what? I don't think this is going to solve the issue, but let's try it out. Let's see. Okay, I'll just open it again. Continue. Okay, start training. Let's see, and then we should be concluding it. We'll fix it tomorrow. Already 7 a.m. here. Let's see. Of the issue, function failed due to not having enough computers, so check log. The same issue, I think. No, I think not. I think I'm sure it's the same issue. Train avatar logs. Okay, let's try to upload. A minimum is 10, right? Let's try to upload 10 images. Earlier it was memory limit exceeded. This time it's CPU limit exceeded. Oh, let's try with 10. I think the same error. Let's see. I was able to create the zip file. Loading zip to replicate CPU time. Let's see what Lovable has to say about it. What is the do they have this CPU time thing as well? Create zip from images, upload 66 MB to replicate times out here. Start training via replicate API. Okay. Okay. There you go. Run time limit. Maximum duration. Repline 150 seconds. Use background tasks with use background tasks that can continue running. The response is sent. Is perfect for long running operations. File upload, architecture change. I understand this, but I don't think Superbase will even allow this. Move upload training to background function. Let's try it out. No harm. Modify main serve function. No timeout issues. Implement the plan. I don't even care about it. That's fine. Okay, let's just see if the edge function is deployed or not. Yeah, done. Let's refresh. Okay, let's do a fresh start. Continue. Start training. Same. Yeah, course. What if I upload like 10 images? 10 pages. Oops. Mm, Let's see. Same. Yeah, to figure out. Yeah, we need to figure out something else. And I think we can conclude this for the day. It's already 7:10 a.m. Let's just conclude this for the day and let's continue building this later. And you guys have a very good day. Make sure to drop a comment and make sure to hit that like button and let me know if you're liking it or not.